What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back to the doll relocation. It's been a minute since I've been here, but I wanted to share with you guys everything that's brand new. Right away, I'm seeing Valentine's Day jewelry. I really wanted to film a whole bunch in here, but we are expecting a blizzard within hours. And you guys know I live an hour away, so I'm feeling a little frantic and a little stressed. And I'm just gonna get what footage I can and then try my very best to get home. Okay, here we go, you guys. Even more new items here from my other store that I didn't see. We have a highlighting brush, face highlight, a round blending brush. In my other stores, I did not see the two brushes. We have a perfect brow eyebrow kit. We have a tinted balm in peach. This lip scrub, I just love the packaging. Another tinted balm. We have a hydrating primer. Wow, you guys. We have a face finishing spray. We have a brow duo, just so many new items. We have a brow lash duo in blue. We have a flat blending brush. So many items, you guys. Brow gel, a brow pencil, a liquid felt tip eyeliner. We even have a jade roller. This is all from Ioni. You know, the brand that makes the eyelashes. Yes, you guys. We have the individual lash extensions, the very favorite lash glue. So many things, you guys. We even have liquid lipstick, more than just one shade. Wow, you guys. A concealer brush. I am so impressed with this collection by Ioni. We just have so many things to look at. I'm just so in love with the packaging too. It's all very designer inspired. It's all like very like Louis Vuitton. It kind of feels like Louis Vuitton. Like, I'm just getting that whole vibe. I really, really like it. We have little lip balms here. What else is new? These are still here. Did you guys ever see these in your store? And these are here. Birdy loves hers. You guys were telling me that these go for so much. One of you in the comments, I'm not sure who, but you said, oh, I just paid like $12 for one of them. This is a 3-pack, you guys. These go for so much more. The brand is sayhello.com. And they are so very soft and nice. Birdy used hers and I touched it and felt it after she used it, and it was like still very cushy and luxurious and nice. So I'm really looking forward to using mine as well. We have more Eye Glow gel polishes. This might be a new color by LA Colors. The sort of like, it has sort of a purple shift to it. Ooh, we have brand new tweezers, and they seem a little longer than usual. If you guys are always dropping your tweezers, you know, getting a longer pair like this might help you out. We have these little sets that are new, the pedicure sets. Those are just emery boards. My granny always loved those. She never really got like the metal fingernail files. She just liked the classic emery boards. I kind of want to get one of these. Yeah, I think I want to get this one and try it out. Yeah, I'm so impressed with those, you guys. Definitely grab them if you're just now seeing them. We also still have the Edge nail strips. I'm trying to calm down a little bit, you guys, but they're calling for like blackout conditions, not blackout, whiteout conditions. They're calling for winds up to 50 miles an hour. They are calling for only 2 inches of snow, if that makes any sense. I think these are new. But yeah, they're calling for blizzard-like conditions. They're predicting a blizzard. And I've been checking the weather like every day for the last couple days, just trying to like track the weather and make sure that I'm planning my day out on a good day. And today looked like a good day, but hey, stuff happens. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this Baja Blast. We have cherry Laffy Taffy. We have grape airheads, cherry. We have Gushers, Tricks, Mike and Ike, Cocoa Puffs, Pixie Sticks with the glittery lid. These would be so cute for Valentine's Day. Nerds. I don't know what was here, but we're missing one that's sold out. We also have, I want to say Rebo. Is it Rebo? RVO. We have Carmex. It just wouldn't be a trip to Dollar Tree if either I didn't or someone else didn't do that. Like, that is so tempting to do every time you come to Dollar Tree, isn't it? That or the squeezy chicken. These would be cute for Valentine's Day. We're starting to see some St. Patrick's Day items as well. The little sloth, the gator, the dogs, the little troll, the fuzzy ones, the rainbow. Ooh, and look, you guys, brand new socks from Juncture. I can and I will work for it. These are the Nubby no slip socks. You got this, and future is now. And then we also have some brand new socks from Peds, the little ultra low sort of no-show liner socks. We have a variety of colors down here. This is a 3-pack. Look at that, you guys. You guys know these go for a lot more everywhere else. If you want to wear a little something with your flats or with your heels. If you guys live in a place where you can wear that sort of footwear year round, then definitely look for these. This is a really nice price for these. I didn't look it up yet, but you guys know these go for a lot more everywhere else. We have gray, we have tan, we have black, and these are all 3 to a pack. And then we have the little 2-pair with the lace, and there's a little bit of a padded heel. Those are nice too. Let's see what we have over here. Always follow your dreams. Home sweet home. A couple new prints. Enjoy every moment. And we also have Make Today Great. Yes, you guys, my store does have some Valentine's Day items. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. The hair styling sponges. My husband was talking about these. Great for men and women. Easily create curls and texture on natural hair. I definitely want to get some of these. I want to try them out. But my kids try them out. These would also be fun for my ASMR channel. I think I'm gonna get 3 of them. See how good they are. Ooh. Yeah, you guys, I am gonna film one more video, I think. I also need to go live. Oh, these are here. But as I mentioned, I'm super rushed today because we are expecting bad weather. These are so cute. So yeah, you guys, join me in my very next video. We're gonna look at even more good items, and then I'm on my way home. Yes, good old snow. Nothing like snow to ruin your plans. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.